Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new Sheyvon and Zoe fun video. Today we are in Bird Park Hambantota. There are 11,000 awesome birds over here. If you know, some birds can fly so far, they travel all the way across the whole wide world. Let's meet these super birds. Let's meet the flamingos. They are pink because they eat pink shrimps. The Indian ring-necked parrot, a bright green chatterbox. They love to mimic your words. The cockatoo is a fluffy white bird with a fancy feather crown. Now the eagles have super eyesight. An eagle lives up to 20 to 30 years and is a symbol of strength. The macaw is dazzling rainbow-colored parrot. The eclectus parrot is so strikingly different, with males bright green and females vivid red and blue. The toucan's enormous colourful beak looks like it was borrowed from a much larger bird. The king vulture is a colourful scavenger that rules the sky and keeps the jungle clean. Zoe had the time of her life with the sun canoers. Short distance flyers are just as fascinating. The Indonesian peacock is a breathtakingly gorgeous bird with emerald green feathers. The Indian white peacock is a rare and magical all-white beauty that looks like it stepped straight out of a fairy tale. Crown blue pigeon may look royal, but even these gentle giants can't resist a squabble. The pied peacock is white and colored feathers like nature couldn't decide between two beautiful outfits and just went with both.
Wow.
Hey, we need to get this on camera. The white swan glides gracefully on water, and the great crowned crane is an elegant dancer wearing a stunning golden crown from the African savanna. We all love turkey, puffs up like a proud balloon. The black swan is a rare and mysterious beauty, glides across the water like a dark velvet dream. How exciting! Flightless birds are truly one of nature's greatest surprises. Big and bold keep their feet on the ground, ready to explore. The ostrich is the world's biggest bird that can't fly
Don't put your hand.
but can outrun almost any animal on land. The cassowary is a giant mysterious rainforest bird with a sharp bony helmet that makes look like a dinosaur that missed extinction. The Australian emu is a tall and big-eyed bird that roams the vast Australian outback like it owns the whole continent. Like and subscribe.